Do you have very high memory and CPU usage on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer? Whether it's a laptop or a desktop, whenever you try to play games, the 100% disk usage, CPU usage, and the RAM is there. If this is the case, learn how to fix high memory usage and CPU usage. So we will be doing very easy steps to fix this problem, and we are not going to install any software. We will be only troubleshooting and fixing this problem. So here, do a right click in the start icon and click on Run. And type services.ms. Once you have typed it, click on Open. Once you do that, a new window will appear like this. And here we are looking for two services. I mean, that's a one service, but in your case, you might have Super Fetch or sysmail. Both the services are same. So you can look for Super Fetch, and if you do not find Super Fetch, then look for sysmail. So I have found it, and you can see that it is disabled. So you also need to disable it. Just do a right click on Stop, and then go to Properties. And here, the startup type should be disabled. Now, this is the services which makes the random application which we use frequently. It makes it available for us. And this is why the usage of CPU, RAM, disk gets, very high. So if you disable this service, it won't make any changes and you won't have any issues. So you can disable it. Since the beginning, I'm not using this service, and my computer works absolutely fine. If you want to see, I'll just do a right click and I'll go to Task Manager and just see the performance. Currently, I'm using, the screen recording is going on. Still, the CPU usage, memory, and disk is absolutely fine. You can see that. Right. So, once it is done, close this window and do a right click again and go to Advanced. Now here, we need to type this dm.cpl. Once you have typed it, click on OK. Now here, you have this computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection, and remote. So here we need to go to this advanced tab, and under advanced, we have this performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. So we need to click on settings. And the moment you do that, you will see a window like this where you have this visual effect. Let the windows choose what's best for your computer and select adjust for best performance. Once you do that, just need to click on apply and OK, and this will be done. Once this is done, you can simply click on OK, and we will move to the next step. So here, just do a right click again, and then go to Task Manager. Now, under the Task Manager, go to Start at tab. I'll just mention that. Now here, please make sure you do the exact thing. Please do not disable graphics, audio, Wi-Fi, securities, sort of thing. Just look which all applications can be disabled at the startup. So you can use it later whenever you want to open it. However, it will not turn on automatically when you turn on the computer. So as you can see, I have very few services at the startup, which is essential, and rest of the applications are disabled. So you can also do that. This will drastically lower the usage, the RAM usage, the hard disk usage, as well as the CPU usage. This is a very effective step. And if you have not done that, please do that. It will definitely boost up the performance. Then close this window. And the next thing, you need to open the File Explorer. I'll just maximize it. And I'll go to this PC. Now, most of us forget that we should also have enough space in our computer. So if you're playing games or if you are doing video editing or sound editing, like if you're doing any important stuff which requires a lot of memory, a lot of CPU usage, please make sure that you at least have 50 GB space, 25 to 50 GB space in your computer. So you can see I have 97 GB free, and you can also look for, documents, pictures, downloads, just free up the space, because more higher the space you have, it will be used as a virtual memory, as a cache memory. So please ensure that it should not be here at the red. It should be the green or blue. Once this is done, close this window. And there is one more thing which you need to do is to update the Windows. And for that, you just need to click on search icon and type Windows. And here you will find Windows Update Settings and check for updates. And you can also create a power plan. So type power in the search window, and you will find choose a power plan, edit a power plan. So I'll click on choose a power plan or change plan settings. And from here, you can select the computer in high performance, or at least keep it balanced. All right. So if you do not see high performance or ultimate performance, what I would recommend to select and create a new power plan. So once you create a new power plan, if you get a high performance or ultimate performance, you can select that. In this manner, your whole computer will be used to give good performance instead of visuals. So this will be very helpful. And also remove the cache from your computer. For that, do a right click and go to run and type clean mgr and click on OK. And this will open up the test cleanup utility for Windows C. You can select all because these are all cache and temporary files. The junk files, you can see I have only 25 MB, but in your case, it can be in GBs, 25 GB, 30 GB, like that. So you can get rid of all those chunks and make your computer faster. And even if you're facing high disk, high CPU, or high RAM usage, this will fix this problem. Once this is done, do a right click again and click on run. And this time, type temp. Once you have typed it, click on OK. And here, just select all, and you can press Shift Delete. So you can delete all these junks. It is not required. And once you remove it, the computer will be absolutely junk-free, and it will run faster. Once this is done, again, open the run window and type %temp %. And click on OK. And this is also another location of junk where you can select all, and you can press Shift Delete, and you can hit Enter. So I had almost 1 GB of junk. Some of the files will remain, and it will not be deleted. That is absolutely fine. You don't have to worry about it. Keep those as it is. I mean, you can skip that and just close it. Once this is done, you just need to ensure that you restart the computer. Many of us forget to restart the computer, and it is a very important process to do so. All right. So you can also do that once you restart the computer. See the performance of your computer. And the last part which you need to do is to run the scanner, the Windows Defender, Windows Security Scanner. So here at the bottom right corner, where you have this shield icon, you just need to open that, and under Virus and Threat Protection, click on that. And here you will find many options like current threats or quick scan options. So you need to click on Scan Options and select a full scan. Check all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. So this is a very good practice to do. I would recommend you to do the scan every month, because it will not only remove the viruses, malwares, or any, bad files are there, it will also ensure that you don't have anything which conflicts with the computer. So once you select full scan, you just need to click on scan now. So once you do that, this might take some time and you can leave as it is. You can also minimize it. If you want to do your work, just let it scan and keep doing your work. So that's not a problem. All right. So once this is done, again, a restart is a mandate and see the difference in your computer. You can let me know how's the performance, how's the usage. Just do a right click in the start icon and go to Task Manager and go to the Performance tab. See the CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage, and let me know how was the performance now and how it was earlier. If this tutorial has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. I'll be waiting for you guys. You have a wonderful day. Take care.